Hey, quick question. What if 2 minutes a day could change your life? In the next few minutes, I'll show you tiny, science-backed habits that compound into massive results over months and years. Stick around. I'll give you a 30-day challenge, tracking tools, and exact scripts to get started today. I create clear, research-backed videos on productivity and habit design. Over the last 5 years, I've tested hundreds of habit tweaks, built daily systems, and helped people go from overwhelmed to consistent. If you want practical steps you can try tomorrow, hit subscribe and let's dive in. First, what are small habits? They're actions so small you can't say no. 2-minute reads, 1 push-up, writing 1 sentence. The trick is consistency and context. Tiny actions stacked over time lead to huge identity shifts. I'll explain why this works and how to design them. Quick science. Small habits lower friction and bypass decision fatigue. Neuroscience shows repeated cues create neural pathways. Start tiny, and the brain automates the behavior. Plus, small wins trigger dopamine. That reward loop helps you keep going. So less heroic willpower, more system design. Habit 1, the 2-minute rule. Make your habit take 2 minutes or less. Want to read more? Read 1 page. Want to write? Write 1 sentence. The goal is starting friction. Once you start, momentum often carries you longer. Use a physical cue to trigger it. Leave the book on your pillow. Put headphones on your desk. Habit 2, micro morning routines. Instead of a 2-hour ritual, pick 3 micro actions. Drink a glass of water. Stretch for 60 seconds. Write 1 gratitude line. Do them right after waking. The aim is to orient your day without overcommitting. Consistency trumps intensity here. Habit 3, task batching to reduce context switching. Group similar tiny tasks into short time blocks, e.g., 10 minutes to clear emails, 15 minutes to plan meals. Batching reduces the productivity tax of switching contexts, giving you more energy the deep work later. Habit 4, micro-exercise. Build tiny movement habits. 30-second desk stands, 5 squats between meetings, a 1-minute walk after lunch. These small bursts add up and protect your energy and posture without needing a gym session. Habit 5, 1-line journaling for mental clarity. Each night, write 1 sentence, a win, a lesson, or a priority for tomorrow. It takes 30 seconds and helps close the day, improving sleep and focus. Over time, you build a journal you can actually read. Habit 6, digital minimalism in small steps. Start by muting 1 notification or removing 1 app that wastes your time. Or set a 15-minute phone-free window after waking. The key is not going cold turkey, but making incremental reductions that you can sustain. Now let's stack them. Habit stacking means attaching a new tiny habit to an existing one. After I brush my teeth, existing, I'll do 1-minute stretches, new. Use the formula, after, before, existing habit, I will, new tiny habit. This creates contextual cues that automate behavior. Tracking and accountability are crucial. Use a simple habit tracker, a calendar you cross off, a checkbox app, or a physical jar with daily pebbles. Also tell 1 person your tiny habit. Social accountability multiplies success. Start with a goal of 30 days and celebrate small streaks. Tools I recommend. Simple checklists like Google Keep or Todoist for microtasks, a habit tracker like Loop or Streaks, a minimalist note app for 1-line journaling, and a timer app for batching, Pomodoro. Pick a tool you enjoy. Complexity kills consistency. Common mistakes. Starting too big, relying on willpower, and not tracking progress. Avoid these by shrinking the habit, linking to an existing cue, and recording tiny wins every day. If you slip, reset quickly. A single missed day isn't failure, it's data. All right, here's your 30-day challenge. Pick 3 micro habits. 1, 2-minute reading. 2, 1-line journaling. 3, a 60-second stretch in the morning. Use habit stacking and track every day. If you miss, double down the next day. I'll join you. Share progress in the comments or on social with the hashtag #SmallHabitsChallenge. To wrap up, small habits are powerful because they're sustainable. Start tiny, stack them, and track. If you want templates, I made a free starter kit in the description with habit trackers and scripts. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for weekly practical guides, and share your first micro habit below. You've got this.